How to summarize any PDF using AI. First, open your web browser and visit an AI tool that supports PDF analysis, such as ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Claude, or Microsoft Copilot. Next, sign into your account if required. Click the Attach or Upload button, then select the PDF file you want to summarize from your device. Once the upload is complete, type a prompt like, "Summarize this PDF in simple language," or "Give me the key points and main conclusions from this document." Press Send, and the AI will analyze the document and generate a clear summary. You can also ask follow-up questions, request a shorter summary, create bullet points, or even ask the AI to explain difficult sections in simple terms. If you're happy with the results, copy the summary or save it for future reference. That's it. You've successfully summarized a PDF using AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI tutorials.